How do you directly send products from Alibaba Chinese manufacturers to Amazon FBA Fulfillment Center? Sourcing products to sell on Amazon is often the most challenging aspect of any online business journey. Just like Amazon, Alibaba is a global marketplace, but it caters specifically to entrepreneurs who buy products in bulk to sell for a profit.
Welcome to Seller Universe, your all-in-one platform for online selling success.
In this video, we're going to talk about how to send products directly from Alibaba Chinese manufacturers to Amazon FBA fulfillment centers. Why Chinese manufacturers? When it comes to finding products to sell on Amazon, Chinese manufacturers are a top choice. Here's why. More for less. Buying in bulk from Chinese manufacturers allows you to save money on each unit, covering your shipping costs and leaving room for significant profits. Manufacturers in China source their materials at lower prices, making the products themselves more affordable. Mass production. China has some of the largest manufacturing facilities in the world, with the capacity to cater to entire nations and continents. This means you can access high-volume production and scale your business quickly. Everyone is doing it. Many successful Amazon sellers, including wholesalers, private labels, and white labels, source their products from Chinese manufacturers. It's a tried-and-true method that has proven to be effective. Vast product selection. China specializes in manufacturing products for all markets, offering a wide range of options. By being discerning in your product search, you can discover affordable hidden treasures that align with your business preferences. Now, you might ask, why go to Alibaba instead of contacting a manufacturer directly? There are a few reasons. Almost all Chinese manufacturers are in Alibaba. Creating a shipping plan from China to an Amazon fulfillment center is easier if the supplier has a verified account on Alibaba. Alibaba vets its suppliers, and when problems occur, Alibaba can help you fix them or recover your losses through trade assurance. How to send products from Alibaba to Amazon FBA Fulfillment Center. Now, let's talk about the tricky part, shipping. Fulfillment by Amazon FBA is an excellent option for entrepreneurs selling imported products on Amazon. It allows you to store your supplies in an Amazon warehouse until orders come in, saving you a lot of money on shipment. Here are the steps you need to take. Step 1. Ask questions. The right ones. The first step in this process is to ask your supplier the right questions. You need to know where the products are shipping from, the type of paper used for the box ID label, the shipping carrier or freight method, the number of units per case and how many cases, whether everything will be shipped in one box or multiple boxes, the size and weight of the box, and the exact shipping date. Why ask these questions? Because you'll need these pieces of information for the shipping plan. Step 2. Create a shipping plan. Once you have the necessary information, it's time to create a shipping plan on your Amazon seller account. Open Manage Inventory and select the product you're importing. You can create a shipment plan in 3 steps. First, choose an inventory. Enter the Ship From address. This should be the address where your inventory is located. Select the marketplace destination. Choose the country where you want your products to be delivered. Enter the SKU and packing details for each of your products. Provide the number of units per box, dimensions, and weight. Second, confirm shipping details, including the shipping date and mode of transportation, small parcel delivery or less than truckload. Lastly, choose a shipping carrier. Choose a shipping carrier from the list of non-Amazon partnered carriers. If your carrier is not listed, select Others and enter the carrier's name. Step 3. Print the box label. The final step is to print the box label and send it to your supplier. Click Print, confirm the information on the label, and click Save to download the label to your desktop. Then, send it to your supplier in .pdf format. Let them know that it's the Amazon FBA box label. The box label must be on the box for the package to be accepted in the Amazon warehouse. Finally, click Proceed to show the tracking details. All you have to do after this is wait for your products to be shipped. This label ensures smooth acceptance of your products at Amazon's fulfillment centers. How to safeguard yourself from rip-offs. Now, let's talk about how to protect yourself from bad deals or scams when dealing with Alibaba suppliers. Here are some tips. Request recent product photos. Insist on recent unedited product photos to avoid potential scams. Conduct video calls or use 3D showrooms. Utilize trade assurance. Opt for suppliers enrolled in trade assurance to protect yourself in case of inconsistencies or delays. Communicate through Alibaba. Keep all communication within Alibaba's platform to ensure accountability and support in case of disputes. Be detailed in descriptions. Specify your product requirements clearly to avoid misunderstandings and ensure quality control.
There you have it. Sending products from Alibaba Chinese manufacturers to the Amazon FBA fulfillment center is now within your reach. Remember to do your research, ask the right questions, and protect yourself from any potential risks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Seller Universe for valuable tips and insights.